Hey everyone, welcome back to my craft room. This is Monica here. You may have watched my tidy craft room video about a week ago. Since then I've had inquiries about where I've bought the baskets and various things that I've had in my craft room. So I thought each week I'll bring you a short video to answer your questions on where I've purchased things. I will put the links below so that you can find them to buy them. If you like this video, please do a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe for future videos, so press the subscribe button. And I will turn my camera around so I can show you the first few things. I've got 3 things today to show you, so I won't take up too much of your time. So just hold on and I'll just flip the camera around. And here we go. So I've got them on my little table here. So the first thing was these great white baskets, which I did get from Kmart. This one here is a rectangle size, sorry, making a little bit of noise, rectangle size. So they are quite a decent size. You can get square ones also, but they're a little bit shorter. They come in the mint green, the white, black and grey. Now the lids don't clip on, they actually just sit on the top, which is great because you can stack them up as you've seen in my craft room. So what I've done, I'll move you over to here, is that you can put things into compartments. So where you've got a lot of loose items, I've got these little linen baskets, which I also got from a $2 shop. So in here I have my decorative beads, feathers, all things that I would make journals with. Bling stickers, pearls, flowers, here we go, some flowers. And then in the back here I've just got my little mini pads here. So I would put this one and stack that on top of that one there, because this one it's too high for a lid on it, but I really need something like this so that I can go straight to it and find what I need. The other thing is this one here. This is a linen one, which I actually got from a $2 shop. You can get them in different sizes. What I like about these is that they have the flexible side, so sometimes if you've got a bit of a tight space, it can cram in, you can squeeze it in. So this one here, I have the dies that do not fit into my stamp cases. So I've just got them there. And then down the back here, I have all my folders here. So they just fit in nicely. And it's nice and compact. I keep them in the trolley, which I'll just, and that cream trolley there just sits on the top basket, so it's really easy access. Also with the baskets again, you can get the smaller size one. So there's the black one, and then again you can get that in the mint and the grey. These do come with lids. I don't use the lids for these because I specifically bought these ones here for when I do my card classes. I can put everything I need in one basket. I can put the card kits, my inks, the stamps and everything, and it keeps it neat. So I usually have 3 because I do 3 cards in a class. So they are really handy for that, but they have so many purposes. And my last item today, I'm just going to pop this out the way, is where I keep all my scrap papers. So this here actually came from Officeworks. It did have a flap in it, but what I did was I cut it all off, as you can see, made it into a file. When you buy it, it actually comes with these plastic sleeves, which are really good, very reasonably priced. And then all I did was I put, instead of having, you know, all the different colour greens and stuff, I've just popped like all the greens together, all the, here we go, oranges and yellows, the blues, and the purples, so you get the idea. They are getting a little bit full now, so what I will do is, when it gets too full, I'll take it out and I'll find all the tiny little scraps of paper that I really can't do anything with, and be ruthless and throw them out. And then you've always got space to fit your scraps in. So I really think that's a really great idea. So that's it for today. So I'm just going to pop the camera around. So I'm back again. Now I've managed to keep my craft room tidy, which I'm really happy about. And I found the trick to doing that is to actually do 5 minutes of cleaning up before you leave the room. A lot of times we get busy and we just take off and we just leave it. So I make sure I spend 5 minutes, and it's amazing what you can do in the 5 minutes to get it all done. So I will be back here next Thursday. I'm going to do a series of Thursday things that I can bring to you that are useful to help you out. And please, if you have any questions or anything you would like to see me show you, leave a comment below and I will certainly come back to you and we'll do a video on it. Okay, so you have a great weekend and I will see you later. Bye for now.